Hey everyone, it's Nolan from Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. Wanted to take a couple of minutes to tell you a little bit about this 2005 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, also known as the LJ. It has a 4-liter inline 6, automatic transmission, Dana 44 rear axle with 373 gears. As you can tell, it's been custom painted. It has a one-off, one-of-a-kind custom paint job that someone has spent a lot of time and money on. Has a 4-inch Skyjacker suspension lift. It has heavy-duty front steering, custom wheels with 285/70/17 tires, which is the equivalent of approximately a 33-inch tall tire. It has a hard top. The air works great. The 4-liter runs excellent. Goes down the road really well. Someone has spent a lot of time and money on this Jeep to get it to what you see right here. We're going to take it for a test drive here in a few minutes and let you get an idea of what it rides like. If you have any questions about this Jeep, please feel free to reach me via phone or text at 904-382-7230, or check us out on the web at premierautosource.com. Inside's very clean. The gauges. Nice aftermarket Sony radio with USB. Of course, automatic transmission.